How to set up the interior dividers. Fix the 2 hooks on both sides. Line up the Velcro closure of divider A to the bottom of the bag. Secure the 2 sides of the Velcro of divider A to the inner side of the bag. Fold and place the 2 divider B into the bag. Complete the installation. How to use dividers and multiple pockets for organization and item storage. OneGo Shoulder Bag 6-liter. OneGo Shoulder Bag 10-liter. How to use the pockets on each side. The double-sided pockets on the OneGo Shoulder Bag 6-liter can fit water bottles up to 330 milliliters. The OneGo Shoulder Bag 10-liter can carry water bottles or table tripods. How to use the external straps for the tripod. Hook the 2 external straps to the bottom loops of the bag and fasten them to secure your tripod. How to adjust and reverse the shoulder strap. Slide up the adjuster to tighten the strap. Slide down the adjuster to loosen the strap. Take the end of the webbing out of the adjustment buckle. Then pull the webbing out of the attachment. Take out the other webbing in the same way. Reverse the shoulder strap. Pass the webbing with its adjustment buckle through the attachment from the outside to the inside. Then pass the end of the webbing through the bottom slot of the adjuster buckle. Pass the other webbing through the attachment from the inside to the outside. Then loop the end of the webbing through the top and down to the bottom on the back of the ladder lock to complete the installation. How to fold the OneGo Shoulder Bag. Undo the 2 side hooks. Remove the dividers and stow the strap. Then fold the sides of the bag and the front cover inwards and compress the bag. How to use OneGo Shoulder Bag as the cycling bag. The 10-liter shoulder bag can switch to a cycling bag by fixing the included sternum strap.